Alright, so welcome guys. Today we are going to be reacting to some clips from TikTok. And the topic is about food.
My favorite topic, love cook.
Yeah. So we're going to watch some clips, we're going to react, and let's see how it goes.
Yeah, let's see how the TikTok. Wow, these are blind reacts as well, so we haven't seen them.
We haven't seen these videos.
Well, I hope I haven't seen them because I'm on TikTok, so I see a lot of them. All right, first one. Let's go.
Foods I don't eat as a Jamaican. Tripe bean. Nope. You're not that hungry.
Nah,
Me
love
either.
If you're that hungry, eat bread and butter. How you put intestines in your intestines? No, that don't make no sense.
No sense.
Math is not mathing. Next up,
Hold on.
bulla and pear.
What?
No. I don't fuck with pear like that. I'm not Rick Ross.
Bro, him not grew up in Jamaica.
No.
Him not grew up in Jamaica
No,
at all.
can't be.
What if like bull and pear? Brother, I did not know about avocado until I came to Spain. I know about pear. We not call it.
No, we not call it no pear. We not call it avocado.
Pear. Bulla and pear. Oh God, man.
Bulla pear is
that-
sweet.
Could I eat some of that right now?
The only time I eat pear is if they turn it into guac. You know when they add seasoning,
This is a
salt,
Mexican
pepper, and all
dish.
everything in there? Fine.
Mexican.
Bulla, eat bulla with butter, cheese, or even peanut
Alright.
butter, but not
Peanut
pear.
butter with bulla? Never have that.
Yeah,
Next
nice,
up,
nice.
Ton cornmeal.
Oh God.
Turn me off.
Oh God.
Turn me
God.
off.
How come?
Turn me off.
I never liked that as
No.
a kid as well.
When I eat ton
Father,
cornmeal,
love it,
I eat
that's why.
cornmeal porridge, cornmeal dumpling. As soon as you start chop up vegetable and dash in there, no.
Oh God, man.
When I eat
You're
ton
missing
cornmeal.
out.
And last, don't be mad at me.
Him say I keep me
I
killing.
don't fuck with banana porridge or
Plant porridge.
No.
You
No,
need
boy,
that?
no, me love
Vanilla
plant
and
porridge, but
slime
boy,
and
so
how
with
cool.
the dog.
Get the
But me
hot
think
I'm
dog.
about
No.
to show you off for the culture
Banana
right now.
porridge, plantain porridge is trash. Matter of fact, plantain
Just
itself
stop
is trash.
it.
Hold on, let
We
me.
ain't gonna get into that because the plantainites are in the comments are gonna get mad at me. But plantain,
I react to
plantain
man do
porridge,
this one. Him
no.
not
Give me
believe in
cornmeal
this.
porridge on peanut
No.
porridge on oats. That's
No.
it.
Nice, that be nice.
Alright, you can see what shit.
Baby, what you wanna do?
Shit, when you're eating curry goat and a bite of pimento seed. This is so, you know?
We understand.
It's a, you know, Marsh call them the bomb. Every time
The
I
bomb.
cook for Marsh send me a message. I only found 2 bombs in the food today.
That happens to me with rice and peas.
Yes, you find it. But
Rice and peas.
sometimes when you know when your food, you oxtail and well simmer down and you bite it.
Yeah.
No pause. When the oxtail well simmer down and you eat one of the pimento seed them, the allspice seeds them, it kinda just melt.
It does?
Yeah, when you cook it down, so you don't get the punch from the flavor.
Yeah, it kinda
Kinda different.
I understand, yeah.
Can't believe man. Me still a real. Me can't believe the man don't like bulla and pear.
Man don't
Dog.
like bulla
Me
and
alright if
pear.
you tripe and bean if you don't eat meat and them thing there, but the bulla and pear. Bulla and pear have me away. Bulla and pear have me away.
We do this. My biggest ick, when you use the egg in the carton, don't put it back in the carton. Take it out and throw it away. Like, why?
Yeah.
Bro, are you gonna make something out of freaking egg? Stop calling me.
Okay.
Anyways.
What she mean?
Like when you use an egg and you put the eggshell back in the carton,
Ah.
that makes no sense. Throw it away.
Me only do
Alright,
it
bro, I'm gonna have
if
to
I did
flip
2
this
egg
one.
left.
I'm gonna cut
I'm
meat
just
in
put
pieces.
the shell
Oh,
on it and then
yeah.
throw the shell on the carton.
What she
It's
making?
steaming.
I share cook.
An
I'm gonna spray
egg.
some more because
She make a fry egg.
She fry egg.
it's safe. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. Don't spray.
See
all
how
that.
she fry egg. Wrong.
Do not. Anyways, you crack your egg.
Crack your egg on a flat surface. Don't drop your egg from that eye in aisle, even though she spray it. Don't do it.
Turn out bad.
And she
I'm gonna
look how she dressed and she fry.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh
Poor bird.
Never expect that. Never expect that. Never expect that. The bird see you more cook too.
Jesus.
We never expected that at all.
How did the bird come from?
We like our pet bird and she didn't cook egg and the bird now have it. Not in my house. Oh my God.
The bird is trying to save his own.
See if I'm teacher say yo, if you have fried egg, fry it the right way.
Yeah.
All right, next one.
Finely chop these. I've never used a knife like
Christina, take the knife guard off.
I'm sitting down already. Oh, God, man.
this. I was wondering why I put
Surprise, surprise. Turn your knife around.
Bumper claw.
Turn your knife around.
Yeah,
I should use a bread knife.
You want to cut something with the sharp end of the knife.
you're pounding crawfish in a mortar and pestle.
I wouldn't find them people there.
It will bring out some flavor. No.
No.
I had no idea it'd be so hard trying to cut.
No, not her. No.
And I'm not
No.
sure if keep that
She let down the entire race. No. I wouldn't find them people there.
How you cut a avocado? How you cut an avocado like that?
What the logic?
I've never
What the
seen-
logic?
I've never seen that before.
But the one who cut the thing with the knife.
Left
Yeah.
guard. Oh God, she nervous.
She never cook a day in her life.
She nervous.
Her cooking is Uber Eats. Uber Eats she cook with. This won't end well.
Ma, where's the seasoning, Ma?
The mayonnaise is all done. Is that last night? What are you talking about?
Hold that turkey. Got it?
No.
You got
It's a turkey. What should I do it? Should I wash it?
Look at it have his skin, everything.
All right.
No, it's a full turkey on it, man. That's alright.
It's mayonnaise.
Just my
What?
drums. Pick open the stupid thing.
Get out of the way.
Open the drawer.
Hold on, you gotta put some more seasoning on that way.
Let him put some seasoning.
The man a ball this seasoning.
Mayonnaise is not a seasoning.
He's begging for the seasoning.
You seasoned it.
Let's just throw some
Go
pepper.
ahead.
Did last night.
Some so small
Where?
spits.
Shit.
It looks white because there's mayonnaise on it.
Put mayonnaise.
I'm done.
Hey, there's a little. Put some on there
there's
quickly. Come on, let's get it in
Alright,
there.
let me just make sure. What do you put on normally?
How ready. Mayonnaise.
Up in her age and she know that. My poor guy, he probably just come home from college and experience some real food. And he can't live it again. He can't do another Thanksgiving with a white chicken. With a white turkey.
Jesus.
Oh, this looks good. Yeah, it looks like you would even eat this.
No. But it looks good. Yeah, it does.
Alright, alright, should I like when it start off washing the chicken, but alright.
Yeah, but yeah.
Seasoning well nice. I have some chicken to marinate right now too. Alright.
Flour, yeah.
Yeah. Same seasoning.
That's what I do. That's what I do when I fry fish.
Double seasoning. Alright. Right. And why I make another one of this if the chicken and marinate in a liquid already? You don't need this.
Wait.
This was unnecessary. You already have the other thing.
It look good so far.
It looks. She got just. Oh, good. She now put that on the fire a little bit.
This look good so far.
Mac and cheese sauce.
Mac and cheese sauce.
Yeah, make the roux.
It's from scratch. It look like
Cream. Yeah. Cream cheese? No. No cream cheese.
Different
no mac
strokes,
and cheese.
different forks.
True. Spicy mac and cheese. Alright, the cheddar. Different kind of cheese.
Actually look good.
Multiple kind of cheese. She going good still. Cream cheese kind of put me off a little bit, but there's no restriction on the cheese you can use.
It's actually look good so far.
Yeah. We'll make some of this for Christmas in the dog. Yeah, man, you miss it. Who tell you if you go sick?
From me not doing this.
You know, eat mac and cheese.
No.
Oh yeah, fake cheese. Alright, layer the cheese.
Wow.
Now. Alright. Let's say I saw
It
it.
look nice. She get approved. It look nice.
Would I eat a plate?
It look nice. I wouldn't eat a plate, but it look nice.
Would I eat a plate?
It actually
Let's
look
try
nice.
a plate. Right. Oh, them bread here. We can't manage the dirty rock still, but it's a river cooking.
Yeah, it's a nice setting, a nice background. This look this look heavenly. This look peaceful.
Right.
Wow, the man making own stove.
Wood
My
fire,
God.
knife bad too. Right, the sound.
Peppers, yeah.
Yeah, well done. Mushroom.
Mushroom.
So far, you can eat or cook.
Yeah. It look like a vegan kind of dish.
Yeah. Wow, styler. Chop up your money on it. Yeah, man. So far, I make a meal for you.
So far, so good, yes. I just love the outside cooking, dog.
Yeah.
You don't know.
I cook on the rock, river water,
Wow.
season up him thing. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I going good, my brother.
Yes,
Alright,
man. So
make him
nice.
sauce. Oh God.
I'm tuning out.
Oh God. I'm tuning in. I'm locked in now.
Tight. Wow.
Tie up your meat. What you season there? Alright, black pepper and your seasoning and grind them up. Well done. Well seasoned up. Come on, a little bit more season. Yeah. Hot fire. Yeah. Yeah. Butter. Yeah, man. Oh, your rosemary and thyme. Oh, God, man. Oh, God, man. Yeah, man, I eat this.
That meat, they look raw.
It might give that next
okay.
touch. Because you know, have no oven put it in. Or else it got dry on the outside and cook on the interior. So I'm cutting them thing there, you know?
Yo, the outside cooking, I always approve of outside
I best
cooking.
one that we see so far.
And it's interesting how he made the fire with the log like that. I never seen it like that.
Never
before.
see it. I make wood fire.
I actually love it.
I make log fires. Alright, let me sit down now.
Cooking in the sun. I've seen this before.
Okay. I'm going to go to Arizona. Jesus. You know we can do that in Amusia?
Yeah, during the summer, yeah.
On that steak there. But steak require a high temperature, you know. You can't...
Some people like it raw.
No, but you still require a high temperature for the sear.
True.
Or else they're going to soak in an oil and no...
Salt, where's the rest of the seasoning?
Steak, you can keep it minimal.
Yeah? That's a lot of black pepper.
Yeah.
That's a lot of kidney stones.
No, I'm not serious. That's the steak, the white and the ring light I use now. No, Rasta.
This is raw meat.
No, I'm alright. I pass on that.
This is raw
I understand
meat.
all the time hot, but steak too expensive for me to waste like that.
But let's see the inside.
Actually, no.
No.
People will eat steak at that level, but no.
But wouldn't that be rare or past rare?
Rare.
That would be rare.
Rare. I would say that's like a blue. That is a blue steak. All right, make us trying broccoli freckles. Right.
Let's see. This girl she has an interesting face.
I already biased already for this. I can't foresee this a good. They use the broccoli to our makeup. Alright.
It actually looks like freckles.
Looks like freckles, but that's a lot of work, bro. Like
a lot of work. Why you say so?
Like, leave the broccoli alone, man. Like, leave the broccoli. Just eat the broccoli, man. And
leave the trees and let them be.
Leave the broccoli alone. You know what's gonna be the worst thing? Some kids on TikTok are gonna see this,
and it becomes trendy.
No, what got me is mother's gonna go buy the grocery, bring home the broccoli, ready for cook broccoli as a vegetable for dinner. Go in the fridge, can't find the broccoli. Then you go in your daughter's room, broccoli in there, and you wonder what she do with broccoli, and she not cook. Broccoli one day they kind of lame still. I could cut out that one day. But that's it.
That's it for the reactions of the clips. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, take it easy.
Take it easy. We out.